Good morning and welcome students. Here is Priyanka Roy, your geography teacher, and today we will discuss about the chapter 7 from your NCERT 12th geography book, the tertiary and the quaternary activities. So here it is, the tertiary activities involved services. For example, like the carpenter, barber, doctor and teacher. Under the tertiary sector activities, you have the skills, expertise and you have the knowledge. Then you have the quaternary and the quinary types of activities. Here is quaternary is a highly specialized job form of the consultancies, policymakers. It is based on the research and development and types of information based of services. Here we notice that the tertiary sector activities are involved such type of ways like the trade and commerce, transport, communication and services. Here we have to know about the trade. There are two types of trade, wholesale trade and retail trade, which is essentially buying and selling items produced of elsewhere. And this type of trading are also rise of the barrier at the local level to money exchange and the international scale has to produce many centers and the institutions such as the trading centers. Here is a retail trade. Most of the retail trading takes place in the fixed establishment of stores solely developed and devoted to the selling, street peddling, handcrafts, trucks, door-to-door services and mail order, etc. On the other hand, the wholesale trading constitutes the bulk of business through the numerous intermediary merchants and supply the houses and not through the retail stores, and some large stores including the chain stores are able buying directly from the manufacturers. Next is the transport. Transport is a services or facility by which the people, materials and manufactured goods and the physically carried from the location to the another. Like type of transport system are measured by the km distance and the time distance also. Next is the communication, which is related to the trading system. This type of communication services involve the transmission of the words, messages and the facts, ideas. The invention of the writing preserved messages and helped to make the communication dependent on the means of transport. These were actually carried by the hand, animals, boat, road, rail and the air also. Here it is, the communication system is related with the telecommunication system like the radio, television. This is called mass media system, and radio television also help to relay the news, picture, telephone calls to a vast audience around the world, and hence they are termed as a mass media. They have made communications direct and the instantaneous at any time and anywhere. Last of all, which is related with the tertiary activities like the services. Services occur at many different levels. Some are geared to industry, some are to the people and some to the both industry and people, like the transport system. Many services have now been regulated, making the maintaining the highways and the bridges, and some types of services are like the personal services are made available to the people to facilitate the work of daily life. I hope so my knowledge will help you to understand this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.